So here's a, QQQ versus Apple. For the longest period of time, Apple was really underperforming the markets. So here's a good example of that underperformance based on a pairs trade. So these are, Apple versus QQQ, nice coefficient, relationship here, about 0.94%, very tightly correlated. All right. So then, Apple was really underperforming while the rest of the markets, QQQ, was kind of going up. So you can see this chart here just kind of showing you QQQ was having a pretty good, strong trend to the upside, right? Really trending nicely to the upside. Now, at that same point in time, you can see Apple was going up, but you can see, here QQQ was really taking off. But here you can see Apple, here was Apple at the same point in time. Here was long QQQ at that point in time. Here was short the Apple. You can see Apple went sideways for about 2 weeks, and then it started grinding up, but it was a really choppy move up. But QQQ was, really having a nice trend to the upside. So here's that spread relationship as a pairs trade. So this next chart shows you what it looks like, that spread. So you can see right here, here's a daily time frame, and here's the 4-hour. And then these are my momentum spread indicators that we'll be using in the course. So you can see here, here's where that spread was right there. So it was about $150. You can see at that point in time, QQQ was about $150 roughly over trading over Apple. Okay, and then what happened? QQQ started to outperform Apple, and you can see that spread really trending up, really holding a nice trend up. And then you can see here just taking a mark there. At that point, it was QQQ was $183.45 above Apple. And so, you just kind of do the math there, and that's a move of $33.45 per share increase from here to here, and times 100, that'd be, over a $3,300 move per 100, okay? From that point to there, that's one contract. So you can just see the potential of these types of pairs trades, the strength and weakness, and the thing that you can, make off these types of trades.